Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Mughlai's feast. Today we are going to make very tasty and spicy mutton fry recipe. So let's begin with our recipe. For it I have taken 300 grams of washed mutton and added 1 teaspoon of fresh ginger garlic paste, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, salt as per your taste, and oil 2 teaspoons. Now mix well and pressure cook it until your mutton is cooked soft. After 5 to 6 whistles, our mutton is cooked perfectly soft. Now make a paste of 3 tomatoes and keep aside. Now heat an oil in a pan and add cooked mutton. And then add 5 to 6 split green chilies and handful of curry leaves and fry until your mutton changes brown color. Now add red chili powder as per your taste and add half teaspoon of black pepper powder, half teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of cumin powder, mutton masala powder or garam masala powder, and mix well. Now add tomato puree and fry for 5 minutes. And now the spicy mutton fry is absolutely ready to serve. Serve lovingly to your loved ones. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Do remember any valuable prayers. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.